So I'm going to do one of these LinkedIn, what this can teach you about unexpected business topic. I was just thinking about glaciers and how glaciers can teach us about data, which may sound odd, but if you think about it, we get old climatic data out of glaciers by, they drill those cores in them, then go back thousands or maybe even 10,000 years. And glaciers themselves are recording data in a way more climactic data because, they advance or recede based on the climactic condition. And I was also reflecting earlier that rather than doing what they say and telling stories with data, I think you should be letting that data tell you the story, if that makes sense. So in this case, I was also thinking about a place I went once called Glacier National Park, where they had something like 100 glaciers or maybe more around 100 years ago back in the day. That's why it's called Glacier National Park. But you go there nowadays, there's only a few handful of glaciers left, and they're pretty small and hard to get to because they have receded so much due to the climate crisis. So I think that's data telling you a story right there. You can look at the image from 100 years ago and then stand there today and see how much that glacier has receded. And of course, that's just one of many data points in relation to the climate crisis. But see, this is a situation where I think if you're in a leadership position, you should be looking at the data to make your decisions, make those database decisions. And this is clearly, to me, an instance of where data is not always leading the decisions and the decision making in that department.